Hey guys, welcome back to Forrest Outdoors. Today we are working on the XR100 once again, and I've already started, as you can see. So I was able to get this cover off today. Here are the screws. That one's okay. That one's pretty messed up, and I'm really wondering how this one came out. But so I've got this off. As you can see, my tensioners are right down in there, and I need to get that off. So I gotta pull the head back off, which means I gotta pull the carb off, and then I gotta put the I gotta pull the cylinder off as well. But once I do that, I should be able to throw the new cam chain on, and I should be able to throw on the new cam gear, and then we'll be ready to go, and I'll be ripping around here. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so I've got the cam tensioner back up here. I'm gonna get or I should say the cam chain tensioner, but I'm gonna pull the new cam chain out of this box right here, and then I've got, here is the new cam gear. So as you can see, this thing is all nice, all the corners are round and stuff, and here, it was in this box. This is the old one. So if you look at it set up against the old one, or the new one, you can see that this side right here is all kinds of really small. The teeth are even ground off almost right there. So this thing of course was trash. So we're throwing that away, and we're throwing these on. So I'll get that done real quick, and then I'll throw the bike back together and we can fire it back up. So as you can see, I got the cam gear on, I got the cam chain on with the gear too, of course. But as y'all probably saw in the video, it took me a little while and it was annoying, but I finally got it, and actually it's right where it needs to be. I was really hoping that would happen, but so I gotta adjust all of this real quick, tighten everything back down, make sure it's all properly tight, not too tight, and then I gotta put this back on, and then I gotta put this back on, and then the stator, hook everything back up, and then I also gotta hook the clutch and stuff back up. But y'all will get to see that, and we'll be done here in a few, and we'll get to ripping before it is dark. Last night I did not actually get the XR running or all put back together before it got dark, but I did get it all back together finally, and I did get a chance to ride it, but I have an issue. My front brake broke, so it's kind of sketchy to ride it, especially because the back brake isn't that good. But I got the new chain and new sprockets on it, and this thing, I went from stock sprockets, I'm not sure what the gearing is, but I went to a 16 tooth in the front and a 46 in the rear, and this thing absolutely moves. So I just got to tighten down some stuff in the head. Of course, I got to get a new one of these brake, like the thing for I don't even know what you call that, but whatever. I still got the lever and stuff. Yeah, when it did run, it ran great. It's really fast, lots of fun. So yeah, thank you all for watching the video today. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you have a great day.